Okay, so we're gonna do some do-it-yourself hood vents. Basically these little already pre-designed holes, or like the holes in the skeleton for the hood. Basically, you're gonna make a Sharpie mark around the edges, and then you're gonna take this guy and drill out the corners, and then an angle grinder to cut the straight lines. So it's gonna kind of start out like that. Okay, so I drilled out the corners with the hole saw. Hopefully that's gonna make cutting it with the angle grinder a little bit easier. All right, so it actually turned out pretty good. I just kind of finished filing like all the edges to kind of smooth it all out, and it turned out pretty good. Okay, so this is gonna be the grill that I'm gonna put in there. Comes in a big sheet like that. Basically, I took this piece here and I like slammed it in through like all here, because there's like rubber, like it's like a little bit of adhesive to, I guess, hold this to the actual shell of the hood. So you're gonna scrape it out with this. I just use this piece. You can use anything really. I use this piece, but once I like cleared a root, basically I'm gonna slide it in like that. I'm thinking about making just one long piece to cover both, because then I'm guessing it'll be like more structurally sound. So I'm gonna try and do that, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, well, that was kind of a pain in the ass, but once you break all this stuff and really fish it in there, it works great. I didn't use any adhesive or anything like that. I just figured it's pretty tight sandwiched between the two metals, so we'll see how it works. If it does move, I might add a little bit of silicone, but as of right now, it seems to be perfect.